purpose. For example, depending on your account settings, we show you ads based on information about your interest. Voices we can derive from your use of search and YouTube. And we use data from your trillions of search questions to build spell correction model that we use have across to our services. You're in control depending on your account settings. Some of the data may be synchronized with your Google account, and we treat this data as personal information. You can control how to collect and use the data now clicking more options below. You can always adjust your controls later or withdraw your constants for future by visiting my account. Okay, here is you can agree here. Then the 8th number option, your account will be created. Here is your account created. Just like with any online service, it's important to choose a strong password. In other words, or that it is difficult for someone else to guess. For more information, review our lesson on creating strong password. Okay, signing into your accounts. When you first create your accounts, you will be automatically sign in. Most of the time, however, you will need to sign into your accounts and sign out when you are done with it. Signing out is especially important if you are using a shared computer, for example, at the library or office, because it prevents other for viewing your emails. To sign in, go to www.gmail.com. Type your username, your email address, and password, then click next. Here is your password, enter your password, then next. To sign out, in the top right corner in your browser of the page, locate the circle that has your first intro of you have already selected an avatar image. It will show the image instead. To sign out, click the circle and select sign out. Okay, add is the sign out button in your avatar picture. Mail settings. Occasionally, you may want to make adjustment to Gmail appearance or behavior. For example, you could create a signature or vacation replay, edit your labels, or change the themes. This adjustment can be made from your mail settings. To access your mail settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Then select settings. Okay, here is the settings. From here, you can click any of the categories at the top to edit these desired settings. Okay. Step process here. Adding contracts. Like all major email providers, Gmail lets you keep an address book of contacts so you don't have to memorize everyone's email address. Okay, it's good. You can also add other contact information like phone numbers, like birthdays, and physical address. To add a contact, click the Google Apps button. Here is the Google Apps button. Click the Contacts button on the drop-down menu. Here is contact. When you click here, then drop down the Contacts button. Your contact scene will appear. Click the Add New Contact button in the lower right corner. Here, lower right corner. Enter the contact information, then click Save. Here you can create a contract and the contract first name, last name, your title, your Gmail, phone number, anything you can